Hi guys, today we're going to be leaf blowing and vacuuming my garden using this Hyundai leaf blower and vacuum. This little switch lets you switch between the vacuuming and blowing. And then this little dial lets you control the speed, 1 to 6 and then max being the highest. It comes with a really big leaf collection bag and also a shoulder strap as well. I'm just going to show you how to fit the collection bag onto the leaf blower. We've got a very long power cord which we've plugged in. I'm going to show you how easy it is to empty your leaf blower. So you just open the zip on the side of your bag, and as you can see, all our leaves have been mulched to a much smaller size so we can get rid of them in our recycle bag and recycle them.